In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Confluence page with ease. Whether you're new to Confluence or just need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through the process of making edits, adding content, and publishing your changes. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the space where the page you intend to edit is located. Spaces in Confluence are essentially categories or folders that help organize content, so be sure you're starting from the right place. Once you're in the correct space, take a look at the list of pages and locate the one you'd like to edit. Next, to start editing the page, look for the horizontal three dots next to the page title. You'll want to click on these dots. It's like finding a secret door that opens up a world of editing possibilities. Just select Edit from the drop-down menu, and this will take you right into the edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, you are free to make the changes you need. If you need to update or revise text, go ahead and edit the text directly. It's as simple as typing and highlighting just like you would in a word processor. If you would like to enhance your page with structured content, use the toolbar to add headings, tables, images, macros, and more. These tools are perfect for keeping your content organized and engaging. The toolbar provides a seamless way to insert various formatting elements without disrupting your workflow, so don't hesitate to explore its features. Have some files or media to include on your page? Feel free to drag and drop them directly into the page. This feature is quite handy and supports various formats, making it easy to enhance your pages with different types of content. For those who like to work with shortcuts, Confluence offers slash commands. Simply typing a slash will bring up a list of elements that you can quickly insert into your page. This is a great way to speed up your editing process and ensure that you have all the necessary components at your fingertips. Once you've made your edits, it's always a good idea to check how everything looks by clicking on the horizontal three dots in the top right corner of the page and selecting Preview. This lets you see your changes in context before you make them live. When you're satisfied with the edits, you have two options for saving your work. If you're ready for everyone to see the changes, click Publish. This will immediately make the edits visible to all viewers of the page. However, if you need to come back to your work later, choose the Close option to save your changes as a draft. This way, they are saved safely until you're ready to finish and publish them. And there you have it. Editing a Confluence page is simple and user-friendly with these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.